The VEVOR portable washing machine stands out with its powerful 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency, effortlessly cleaning intricate and stained items. It offers adjustable time and temperature settings, providing up to 30 minutes of cleaning time, enhancing cleaning efficiency. With tank capacities ranging from 1.3 to 30 liters, it accommodates various cleaning needs, complete with a dedicated cleaning basket and optional ball-shaped jewelry cleaning basket for minimizing friction. Constructed from robust 304 stainless steel, this ultrasonic parts cleaner ensures durability and is easy to maintain, featuring noise reduction and convenient handles. A versatile and reliable addition for effective cleaning in diverse settings.